Welcome to online learning classes. Today we are going to learn for class 6 social science. The new chapter today we are going to start, that is chapter number 3, motions of the earth. The topic on which we are going to talk today is rotation of the earth that causes day and night. So in class 5 also we have read this chapter which was given a name as movements of the earth. The another name we have got here, that is motions of the earth. So today we are going to talk on the different motions of the earth. Earth has two types of movements. Earlier it was believed that earth is stationary or immovable, but later on it was proved that earth rotates on its own axis and also it moves around the sun. So from here we have got two movements of the earth. The first one is rotation while the other one is revolution. So today we are going to talk about rotation. So what is rotation of the earth? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis, and the period of rotation is known as earth day. The earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. When you see the earth, you can see an imaginary line which is known as axis, and this is only the reason because of the movement of the earth we can say that we experience day and night. One complete rotation is completed within 24 hours or 1 day. Now we are going to see imaginary line which is known as axis. So what is an axis? An imaginary line passing through two extreme points on a sphere around which it spins. Here you can see the earth and we have two extreme points that are known as North Pole, South Pole. And also when you see, you can see here this line is imaginary and it is only known as axis, and on its own axis the earth rotates. When we see that the axis of the earth is vertical, but actually it is slightly tilted, and this angle is about 23.5 degree. So we have an angle which is considered as 23.5 degree. Then moving further, we have inclination of the earth's axis and the orbital plane on one side, and another side we have circle of illumination, which are very important. So first of all we are going to see inclination of the earth axis and the orbital plane. So when you see this diagram, you can see here that the axis is tilted from 23.5 degree from the vertical, and if a line were drawn parallel to the Earth's orbit, the axis angle is of about 66.5 degree to this line. So this is only known as inclinations of the Earth axis and the orbital plane. We can say that the axis of the Earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. And this is why we can say that the earth is tilted, and it is also known as inclinations of the earth's surface. Then when we see the two important latitude here, that is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, here we have 23.5 degree for both of these latitude, but their directions or their hemispheres are different. When we say about Tropic of Cancer, the degree is 23.5 towards north, and when we talk about Tropic of Capricorn, the degree is 23.5 towards south. And when we talk about equator, so as you know that equator divides the earth into two equal parts, so it is also very important imaginary line. So this is clear. Now coming to the next one, that is circle of illumination. Now what is this circle of illumination? As you see the center line, what you can imagine from this, that is the complete circle that divides the day from night. It is known as circle of illumination. When you see the sunlight, the sun rays directly falling towards the front part receives light, that is day, and the other part which is not receiving any light is considered as night. So this is because of the circle of illumination. Then we are coming to the next part, that is occurrence of day and night. What is this occurrence of day and night? Because of rotation only, we experience day and night. Due to its spherical shape, only half of the earth receives light from the sun at a particular time. This half which receives light from sun has day, and the other half which is turned away from the sun is in darkness and has night. This is known as occurrence of day and night. This is your today's homework. Next class we are going to talk about revolution. Thank you.